Welcome. If you want to use split screen in your Alcatel One 2019, for the first you have to open apps that you are going to use. So I'm going to open Google Chrome, and also I will go for YouTube. And right now I can simply tap on the home button one more time and open background apps. And here you have to tap and hold the application that you want to use, then drag it and just pick up the second app. And as you can see right now, we can work at the same time in the two apps. We can also just close it like that, just to swipe. So thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.